pretty people, it's Kavya and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a DIY project again. You guys know how obsessed I am with DIY projects and I am in love with those boho style home decor. So today I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick little video on how to make a boho wooden art wall decor. That was long. Okay, so I saw these very beautiful wooden artwork on Pinterest, and since then I wanted to own one. And I know many of us don't have plywoods lying around, so I thought of using a cheap trick and going with our good old cardboards again. So, without further ado, let's get started.
So firstly, I looked for inspiration, simple designs on Pinterest and ended up choosing this one. All you need for this DIY is our very own favorite cardboard. Yes, my mom got a new kadai home. And a pair of scissors, glue, some paints, brushes. And yes, that's all. So I went ahead and cut open the cardboard. I needed a long base for this project, so I cut two rectangles and taped them together. I paper taped them in the front so as to make it more stronger. From the leftover cardboard, cut out rectangles as per the design you are going with and then arrange them as per the picture on the base. Later, go ahead and paint each of them. Okay, so that's how it looks without the black paint, and I can totally see it coming together. That's all the mess that I created and have to clean it up later. Now, since we have done painting all the rectangular pieces, we can arrange and glue them all to the base. Last but not the least, flip it around and trim those extra parts. Alrighty guys, are you guys ready to see it? And there you go. It came out so sticking good. It literally looks so beautiful. And in fact, it also looks like we used actual wooden pieces. It's literally such a fun DIY project to add that boho looking style to any space.
There you have it, guys. That was my DIY boho style home decor, and I hope you guys like it. Any questions, concerns, or comments, I'll be directed at Kavya Manoj on Instagram or comments down below. And stay tuned for more such videos and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'll see you next time. I love you all. Bye bye.